how to delete invite message on Instagram. So yeah guys, so are you worried about delete message Instagram? You send invite message, now you want to delete. So let's open the Instagram first, and now you will open this chat where you want to delete message. So let's tap and hold this chat, but it doesn't give you the unsend option that will remove from both side. But here delete for you, so this is not right option, but I want to tell you the right option, how you can delete the invite message. So first off, open your account in any Chrome browser like this. I have already opened my account in Chrome browser, and go the DM section. Once you can open the DM section, you're gonna tap and hit that. After that, you will tap and hold the invite message like this, and tap on the three dots, and it will give you the unsend option. Here you're gonna tap on the unsend, and message will be unsent from both sides. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you guys in the next video.